Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enlarge the fonts within the AOL mail account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mail.aol.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AOL mail website. If you haven't already logged into your account, click on the login button that you see at the top section and then use your credentials to log in. Once you have been logged into your account, if you wish to make the fonts within your inbox much larger, then click on the settings option at the top right corner and from underneath the theme option scroll down until you find enable large text size option. Click on the toggle at the right side and you will immediately see all of your text will be changed into larger size. Now you can go back to using the large size text menu within your AOL mail, and if you wish to change this back into the normal settings, you can go back into the settings page, scroll down and simply turn the toggle off to return back to the default view. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enlarge font size on your AOL mail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.